In this video, we will show you how to copy all article content on Gutenberg. In WordPress, using Gutenberg, little bit difficult to copy all of the article. You can see here, for example, if your article contain link, contain image, and contain another styling of the text, also this is have button, you cannot just copy all of this content. Okay, look like this. If you copy look like this, it can, but when you paste on Microsoft Word, for example, you can see the button is gone. Also, the styling of the text is gone also. You can see here, the link is active, but when you want to import on another post or when you creating a backup, this is cannot be done with easy. So when you want to create new backup, for example after you creating this article, your internet connection is in trouble or your server is in trouble, so you cannot save this article as draft. You need to back up your article so you don't lose your article in the last editing. To copy all of the content from the Gutenberg editor, and you can easily create a backup or restore it, the step is you need to click this icon, select this, and select code editor. This is the first method. After you select code editor, you can just copy all of this content. For example, this is for a title. I will put into Notepad. Okay, and the content you can copy all of this here. Okay, for example, I want to restore into another post because I cannot save because my internet connection has been lost or my server is in trouble, so I cannot save this article. I need to back up my article here. So when everything is right, I can restore this article with easily. This is the first method. And the second method, you can just copy all this content. Okay, I will exit the code editor using this icon, still in icon, and then select copy all blocks. If you copy all blocks, this is just for the content, not for the title, so you need to copy and paste the title to save your title, of course. I will delete this and paste in here. So when we need to restore using another post, it's very easy. We can just copy this. This is for the title. And for the block, we can just back into code editor. Back in here. And then we can copy our content. We can copy all of this and paste. Now we can exit the code editor. Now the styling, button, image, and all of we have edit here not gone, or we can still see the styling image or another we already edit. Okay, so to copy all the content of your article, we need just to go to this menu. Okay, select the copy all blocks, or we can using code editor, then copy all of the code on the Gutenberg. Hope this video helpful for you.